see it yet. It's a little bit higher. Everyone made out to seem like it's gonna be a lot higher, but it's a little bit. It's not bad. Shouldn't be too hard to put on. Fingers crossed.
Unless you tell it, my eyes can't see, baby.
Oh wow, look at this. Look at this, they got photos. That's crazy, they have photos. I'm so used to Japanese, like JDM stuff, you put it on, it's in Japanese, and no photos, barely any instructions. Like, look at this, crazy. It's gonna be nice. The Blue Lagoon. Don't you like having a non-rusted car? Look at this. I know everyone watching this video right now in the Midwest could be like, fuck. Look at this. Look at that. That's insane. Oh, so nice. Look at that. Just, ooh. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, crazy. Is the exhaust still hot? Nope. Take that apart. Oh, it's got some weird, like, JB Weld or some shit on it. It's weird. Looks pretty simple. As crazy as it sounds, many cars I've owned, all the mods I've done, I have never done a catback exhaust myself. Crazy, right? Never done one, so can't be too difficult.
Yeah, even if you don't roll it over, even if just run, it slightly rolls on you so you can't even get out. You just suffocate under there.
Yep. Easily.
It's even worse, imagine you're by yourself, there's no one around, and it rolled over on your arm. You burning out in the sun in Phoenix.
Yes, it's
You just on the concrete burning up.
You don't have one of the ratcheting wrench for the 14? This is the only 14 you have? You don't have the ratcheting wrench 14? Give me a regular ass 14.
That's your wrench.
Huh?
That's your wrench.
I know, but you gave me a good 12.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have a rubber top exhaust? Yeah.
These things, fuego. Day 2 for exhaust. Because my brother doesn't like buying tools, so brought a cutoff wheel just in case that bolt is stripped. And then I also brought a pry bar for the exhaust hangers and breaker bar. So we should be good. You know, it's a nice, cool, like 100, I think 103 right now. It's October, so welcome to Phoenix. Just wanted to say my apologies, everyone. This video is coming out really difficult. It is, I'm even in the shade right now recording this because I just got the phone back from the fridge. It is 110 degrees in October in Phoenix. So even in the shade, my phone is overheating in regular record and also in time lapse, which time lapse normally doesn't make it as hot. This is insane. It's 110 degrees in October. Back to business. Yes. Sounds great. Most of the noise you hear is coming from the actual engine itself. But no, this thing sounds great. Short people problems. Very nice. Yeah, that. Nor all the tools everywhere. But yeah. Install is great. Quality is great. I wish the front pipe was a tad bit longer, but clean. It's nice. So subtle.
Not loud at all.
Ooh, that sun's bright. I like how it's just ever so subtle. So subtle. Nothing crazy.
Yep.
You roll the windows up and it's just so nice. It's so bright out that even my phone, when I go from here to here, it's just blacked out. You have to actually adjust the camera and turn the
Freaking insane.
Ooh-wee.
Real quiet.
It sounds stock. It sounds like if Lexus made the GX470 like sport.
Yep.
Like it sounds like it would be if Lexus had a TRD exhaust. Even hopping out, it just sounds just so nice. Like it's literally if Toyota made a TRD. Okay. Minty. Almost the sound as good as a track. Or almost as good as the pocket bikes. That thing sounds ridiculously good. We gotta swap. You gotta hear it. It sounds really clean. And I definitely hear the clicking sound in the front too.